Hi my friends, so I'm going to redo the video from this morning of just the experiment that we did, okay? So if you remember, we had a glass of warm water, not hot, just warm water. We have some oil that we're going to use. We have some food coloring that we're going to use. I have a small bowl, and I have my 1 tablespoon of oil that we're going to use, my measuring spoon, okay? If you remember, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of oil. So I'm going to open this up and count with me. Let's put 3 in. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of oil. Okay, I'm going to take that bowl of oil, it's all in there, and I'm going to pour it into my water. You see all the bubbles? Okay, notice what happens to that oil. Okay, you can see it in the light a little better. So you see the water on the bottom, and you see that the oil is sitting right on top of the water. Okay, they have different densities, which is why the oil does not mix with the water. If I shook it up, it would be all mixed together, but if I let it be, it's going to come back and do just like it is now. The oil is going to sit on top of the water. So I'm going to take my food coloring. I'm going to take them all out. I'm going to take all the covers off. Okay, and if you remember, I'm going to put a few drops of food coloring into the oil, into the container. And I want you to watch what's going to happen. So there was some green, some blue, and some red. And let's wait and see what's going to happen. Do you see it? Let me put it up here. Can you see it in the light? See the blue came down? And there goes the yellow and some green. There's all your fireworks in a jar. That food coloring is made of water, is water-based, so after it goes through the oil is where it's sinking into the water. And as it does, you can see all those drops of food coloring as they come down. Right? Just like fireworks in the sky, as all that food coloring comes down. Get close to it. So you can still see a few drops in the oil. Can you see them up here? There's a couple more drops up there that have to come down. But the more that comes down, the cloudier that water gets, so you don't really see it. But that was our experiment this morning. That was our project this morning. So this is what you're going to be writing about. Okay? Is the fireworks in a jar. So I hope this makes it a little clearer for you, and that you're able to see the experiment even better than my previous post. All right, guys, have a great time. Do some great writing, and I'll see you tomorrow.